Hello Guchies team, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today I made a delicious okra soup and I want to let you all see how I went about it. You know, in this house we love draw soup and I went about this in a very delightful and special way. I know you will love it. Come on guys, let's get right onto this video. Look at that soup. Isn't that delicious? Oh my goodness, this soup is so delicious. Here's my protein. I'm getting ready to parboil it. I just brought it from the freezer. We're going to be using it for this okra soup. We're going to be using it for this okra soup, guys. Yeah. I like to parboil it with some lemon and lime. Always a preservative, so I always encourage you to, parboil it first. So here's my boiling water. I'm going to add it in. I'll add other proteins because I want them to all get parboiled. I went in with beef tripe, okay? I'm going to bring other protein in. I'm going to go in with some cow feet, guys. So I'll add it in. So I'll allow it to parboil before I start cooking proper. So I like to do this. I'll throw in my lemon and lime. And I'll add some salt. So here's my salt. I'm going to add it in. I'll give it 10 minutes and then I'll rinse it out and start cooking proper. So guys, I've gone ahead to wash it out, chop all my meats to the sizes that I choose. And here I've chopped in some onion. I have already made blended peppers, ginger, garlic, and my black corn pepper, which is Uziza seed here. So I'm going to cover it up and let it cook until it has its own juice. Then I'll add some more water and let it. I'm going to add some Maggie. I've gone in with some salt, so I'll just add Maggie like so. Break it in. This will just dissolve in here. That's what it will do. I don't need to put another pepper. It has everything here. I have my Eru here, which was blended before now. That's how I do it if I want to be fast. I just get some things ready ahead of time. So I'll allow it to cook for like 30 minutes and then get doing other things. Stay tuned. Here's all of my meat. It's been nicely cooked. Cook your meat until it is very tender, especially this cow feet. Can you see? Just cook your meat until it is completely soft. We are cooking this okra soup with enough cow feet and all the rest of them. Yeah, I want to give my husband a treat. So I'm going to add my blended peppers and I want to add some fish here. I'm going to add this fish right away. Fish, this is for my hubby. I want him to enjoy this okra soup. I don't want this fish to break, so I'm going ahead to add it this way. I have scent leaf here and I have my fresh peppers from my garden. I have this red bell peppers. I'm going to blend all of this together into my onion and then I'll add it to the stock. I'm going to go in with my blended peppers. Skip it completely if you don't eat pepper. Soup. This is okra. We want to really enjoy this okra. And guys, this is for my husband. So I have some periwinko and I'm going to go in with it. My husband is going to enjoy this soup. Certain soup are to be cooked certain ways, guys. Okay guys, I'm going to add my oil. I'm going to blend my okra and add it to the pot of goodness. This is a very quick soup. We don't want to waste it. Guys, this is my Eru. I'm adding it to this soup like so. The Eru will give your soup a very delightful taste. I'm going to go in with some crayfish. Guys, trust me, crayfish gives your soup very delicious taste with all those fish I usually ground into it. I'm going to mix everything together. This okra soup is very delicious already. Very delicious, guys. Try this, you will love it. Mix it in very well. Make sure everything gets to marry each other. I'm going to go in with my okra. Guys, oh, I'm going to be enjoying this okra soup. Oh, you are going to see the results. And here I have some stockfish. I added it in now because I don't want it to break. I want my husband to be able to pick all of these pieces of fish like the way they are. I don't want it to get, you know, broken. I just grilled this fish. This is mackerel fish for myself. I'm just going to add it in. Our soup is almost ready. Make sure you don't put your light on high, okay? That way your soup will gently cook. I want to add onion and some bitter leaf, just a little pinch. Okay, I'm not going to stir it. Remember that. Remember not to stir when you add bitter leaf. Just close it up. Everything will get to know each other. Trust me, and you will love it. Do you like to go about your okra soup this way? Let me know in the comment section how you like your okra soup. Alright, if you have been watching me till this time, you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor, subscribe. Hit on that bell notification so anytime I upload new videos, you will be the first to get notified. You guys, I'm very sorry, the salad video, I didn't know that I didn't say anything in the intro until when I came back from work and I watched that video. I feel like crying. But thank you all so much for your support and love. I have seen all of your beautiful comments. I do appreciate you all. Alright guys, I'll close up this soup and allow it to cook. We're going to close our soup and just let it steam, and then we'll be ready. So guys, our okra soup is ready. We are about to dish so we can start enjoying. Alright, Guchies team, I hope you have loved this video. If you have loved this video, please give it a thumbs up. Look at that delicious, look at that okra soup. All the meat are nicely done, very tender, the way my husband likes it. Try this guys, you will love it, especially if you want to make a quick soup. This is my quick to go for my husband. Go ahead and try. If your children doesn't eat swallow, please try okra soup. You will see how they will enjoy okra soup. Then use this okra soup to learn how to swallow, and it's always very delicious. Anytime, any day. Try it out and let me see your comments in the comment section. Please give my video a thumbs up. Share to your family, share to your friends, share to your loved ones. I am so grateful. Thank you all so much for your love and support. Be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao. See you in my next video. I have just dished for hubby. Yes. Look at that okra. Ooh. Isn't this gorgeous? This is so yummy. Would you like to enjoy this soup with? I want to eat it with eba. That's what I feel like, eba. Igbo gari. Oh my goodness, enjoy it guys.